today's call regarding petitions for tax deed and some other miscellaneous matters concerning tax filings, concerning various miscellaneous clause numbers. We have a master list of what appears to be 28 pages, which we will go through today. Attorney Wiley is here on behalf of his representative. Ready to proceed? Attorney Smithville? Good morning.
Your Honor, I had Mr. Rock LLC on behalf of Attorney Tom Bader reporting to 14%, but they believe they're going to have a settlement passed.
Yes. I see it. Coming down. Wednesday, May 28th. Oh, that's right. 1:30. And you also have Middleton.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we have to close order
And we'll show it for you. That takes all yours. Any thoughts?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Last 5 items. Also, if anybody here is objecting to the issuance of a tax deed, and you know the attorney involved with the tax sale purchaser, and you hear the name, please come forward at that time. Anybody object to the issue? All those will be granted. Page 2. First 8 items. 22. Top one on page 22. The objection. I think pretty well prepared with that. I suppose that's true. It is. Well, that it? Attorney John Craig. All right. On page 3, top 5 items. Those granted. One item. $825.14. Attorney Angela Jones. Page 6. First 10 items. Sir? Are you objecting? Okay, come on forward. What's your name? William Davis. I'm sorry, we're looking at the bottom 8 items on page 6, correct? And there's 2 in the middle, RSK Enterprises concerning William Davis. You're William Davis? And are you objecting to the issuance of the deed? You're going to set your case for a pre-trial conference May 28th at 1:30. May 28th, 2014 at 1:30. You'll need to come back at that point in time. If you don't appear, if either side doesn't appear on that date, the court can enter a ruling in your absence. We had contemplated adding to the ordering both sides to exchange their initial discovery at this point in time so we can move it along. So, Karen, remember that we need to change our minutes to indicate that tax sale petitioner will provide basically to the property owner other notices, any exhibits that they intend to ultimately use at a hearing regarding the objection. Yes. Auditor to supply pre-sale notice. And then the parties to exchange any and all exhibits they intend to ultimately use at the hearing on the merits. Understand what I'm saying? They're going to give you all the documents they think show that they gave adequate notice pursuant to Indiana statute and Constitution of protections. And you're going to need to give them any documents you think that are relevant and that you're going to wish for the court to look at or entertain if and when you get to it. May 28th, 2014 at 1:30. Mr. Davis, have you entered an appearance, or why don't you state your address then, please, for the record? What's your zip? And that's where you want everything to. Very good, thank you. All right, back on page 6, the first 4 items. RSK Enterprises, Dorothy King, Cameron Wade, Charlie and Susan Jackson, and Summit. Last two items on page 6. Top two items on page 7. So those we have some items on page 15. One item. Frank Hill. No, I mean that's for me, isn't it? Show that granted. Okay, is that all yours? Okay. We'll show that attorney Angela Jones appears on Angela Williams files here, page 3, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's the last one, that's the Leontine Murphy. Page 4. Angela Jones appears on behalf of Attorney Williams. So all those are one item there. Anything else? Attorney Inga Lewis Shannon. Good morning, page 7. Page 8. Have you filed your orders? Attorney Jones, had you previously filed your orders? Attorney Kenya Jones. Attorney Greason. Page 8. Yep. Sure those are First 5 items on page 10. Are those granted? Have you filed your orders? Proposed orders? Okay, so they're in the files. Okay, very good. Attorney Wyatt. Page 27. Granted August 25, 2014. Attorney Kirsch. Good morning. Page 3, 4 items, middle of the page. Attorney Kirsch should be the orders. Right up on the page. Yep. You're welcome. Attorney Haddad. Page 10. Orders filed already? Attorney Geekus, page 22. It's the second item. So that granted. Very good. August 25, 2000. Attorney Apple, page 1. One item. Douglas Stewart, Vicky Thomas. Notices for. We'll take a pass on that. Do you have your notices with you? Okay. Which conference room are you in? Go meet with representatives from the auditor's office and from that conference room. Attorney Golding. 2 items in the middle of page 2. That's it for you? What's going on?
He's already bought every part.
Running out of steam? Okay, so these are denied. Okay. Okay, the first one is deed granted. The second one is April 27th. Really right with this that he was looking at. It hasn't been. You should be me. Maybe not ever again. Attorney Vlasky. Good morning. Page 28. Oh, okay. Where's that from? Have you had an opportunity to? Is this the prior owner of record? Can you tell whether or not anybody else needed notice? Who have you noticed?
I have a copy of our
Let me see that. Yes. So city mortgage was. You know, as the courts always real concerned with any potential claimant that might be split. It looks to me that the city, what caused me to pause is city mortgage, looks like a lender. And we get these all the time where lenders come in and they're asking for services. And I always ensure that the property owner actually gets notice and has an opportunity to come in and state their case as to whether or not they should get it. City mortgage was the property owner.
I have copies.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll take your representation. We can have that, and we'll show that. Do you have a full order? Put it up on the table. You're welcome. Attorney Kupizar? Good morning, page 1. Second, third items.
Yes, Your Honor. Okay.
Show those during the, okay, very good, thank you. Attorney Olson. Good morning. Say it again. Number 1. Mr. Frazier here? Oh, okay. Very good, agreement reached. Either reached or approved. Thank you. All right, the better looking Attorney Kavachko. You're welcome. Top item under, this is surplus case also. Any objections? Is this property owner of record? What do we have going on? Sure. Either way, give them to Attorney Wiley's supposed to know. Let's check it out. And that was filed with your petition, so that's in the court's file? Okay. And we'll show that granted. Do you have a form order? Okay, so, well, all right. So you're here for the elder. I have, you got it not put down as page 2. I don't see him on here, but I see Attorney Kutnowski. You're not here for him. Okay, so page 2 is rolling, but let's go to page 22. It appears. Last 3 items. First Ministry. Oh, it is. Yeah, I see it is. Yeah. 825.14.
Yes, sir.
All of them. Extend redemption. Page 25. Extension granted. Page 26. last two. Vicky Malone and Cynthia Smith. So what do we?
So he's already working those.
We're just going to mark those as no action necessary.
No action.
What are you saying? There's no minutes in the file or something? Okay, that's fine. We'll show those granted. Anything else? Page 28. Oh, no, we already did that. Which one's that?
Oh, page, that's page 2.
Oh, yeah, middle of page 3, I see it. Bellamy Group.
Okay.
Show that granted. You have your orders? Attorney Burkett. Good morning. David Aldred, fourth item down. It's page 22. It's the entry for Attorney Peterson. Burkett appears. Show that granted. Very good. Is that it? Attorney Stout, page 13, I believe we start on. Okay, bottom 4. Show those granted. Attorney Wiley, granted. Page 15. Page 16. I'm sorry, say that one more time. Okay. Okay, what about the one above it? Looks like it might be a contained property because it's that one you do have. Discontinue it generally. So the other one's granted. Page 17 or page 18. Okay, so each one through the last one would be 08, 18, 254, 04, 0004. Granted. Page 18. Say that again. Redemption granted. I'm sorry. Okay, does anybody else have an objection to a City of Gary petition that they know of?
City of Gary.
page 19. Stand redemption guaranteed. Page 20. Stand redemption granted. Page 21. Extension granted. Page 22 loan page. Those are anything else? All right, very good. Have you filed all your orders? Attorney Apple, are you ready? Okay. All right. Well, just let us know. All right. That concludes most of the call regarding the attorneys this morning. Okay. Before we do that, we're gonna do that. But before we do that, I want to ask: is anybody here this morning objecting to a tax deed? Okay, sir, come on forward. You're Mr. Banks, aren't you? You were supposed to be here yesterday, I think. Oh, okay. Do you remember, Attorney Jones, is this, what did we do yet? Did we continue it generally, or? I think you're right. I think we set it for June 3rd at 9:30. Did anybody have their call from yesterday? Mr. Banks, why don't you wait around for about a half hour or so, and we'll make sure that we give you the right date. Well, I can't tell you that until, that's why I'm asking you to wait a moment, okay? I got a pretty good memory. I remember who you are, but I've got thousands of these files. I don't have that good a memory. Okay. So, I do the best I can. Attorney Jones, you're not ready on the rest of them yet? Okay. All right. Is anybody here objecting to the issuance of a deed? Any objections? Okay, so everybody else that's in the courtroom is either here to watch this, or you're petitioning for a deed, correct? I need to see heads nodding. Yes? Okay, very good, thank you. Attorney Wiley, with that, you said that you met with one self-represented. Yes. And we'll show those graded. Yes. So denied. And are you going to file those orders? Refund less than 5%. Within 14 days. You know anything about the items regarding Attorney Kudnowski on page 2? What about, the 6th and the 7th have the same names? Looks like you're, that's just a duplicate, isn't it? So I'm just gonna strike. Yep. Okay, so Andrea Matthews, that's denied, no refund. Attorney Wiley, you'll prepare that order. Wiley will prepare the order for 14 days.
The last item here.
Norman Carr. And just as a word to the wise, if you participate in future tax sales or have participated in past tax sales that we'll be doing a deed hearing on, if you're petitioning to get a deed, you need to meet with the auditor's office about a week in advance. What's the preference on that?
They call
Okay, you'll get a set date, but if you don't hear anything, you should contact the auditor's office. That way you can come in and have them look at your notices ahead of time, so days like today go relatively smooth. We're going to take any self-representatives that have already had their items checked now, and we'll work through as many as we can. And then if we need to take a break to have things looked at, that will be the next thing we do. So, Attorney Wiley, do you
take the letter judge. Arwala.
Okay, there's 2 items.
2 items on this.
And are you Mr. Walla or okay, Ms. Walla appears self-represented. I'm sure those granted. Do you have a prepared order? Do you know if they? Well, it's absolutely necessary. Okay. You'll file a proposed order granting the petition for issuance of deed within 14 days. And like Attorney Wiley said, if you have any questions on how to do that, you'll discuss it with the auditor. But it's not the obligation of the court or the auditor's office to prepare those orders. It's the tax authorities. We have thousands of these, and we can't. All right, very good.
Thanks.
Thank you. Graves Scott. Are you Mr. Scott? No. Who are you? I recognize you. Let me show those random. Do you have the orders? Okay, the ones right above it. Have you looked at those? Okay, the 2 that were granted, put those up here. And then you can meet with Gina on the other 2. I'm going to ask. Anybody sitting out there that's seeking the petition of a deed, have any of you met with the auditor's office to have your paperwork looked at. Okay. Start with the front row, right there on the far left. You should stand up. What's your name? Michael LeBroy. Come on up. Michael LeBroy appears self-represented. They're talking about you. Yes, I see it.
That's, notice of denial of
Okay, do you understand that? Okay, you in agreement to that? Yes. Well, hold on a second. Denied, refund list 25. And you're gonna prepare that order? Wiley, the order filed within 14 days. Okay. Yep. Lamont, are you here? Come on up, sir. Yes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items.
The first item is a Article 13.
Do you understand that, sir?
They've already been taken a look at those.
Are you in agreement with that? Okay.
Second item, Judge, one second.
Okay, so that granted.
Next item.
June 10th at 11:30. Reset to June 10, 2014 at 11:30. What about the first one? Did you? Yeah, did you confirm the address on that? And are you in agreement? Okay, so petition denied, refund less 25%. Attorney Wiley prepares that order and files it within 14 days. All right? Granted. Third one is reset to June 10th, 2014 at 11:30. Fourth one?
That's also the
Are you in agreement with that, sir? What about the next one?
the next two also does the next two are the
Denied. No. Way. Last one on page 12.
that's the OG.
Okay, so those two remaining two are no deed, less 25%. Yes? Okay, denied. I'm sorry, refund less 25? Yes. Yes. All right, that concludes those items regarding Lamont Court, right? Okay, very good. You're welcome. All right, Attorney Apple, page 1. Hold on, ma'am, yes? I'm sorry? Yeah, we'll get there. Attorney Apple, go ahead. Okay. Extend redemption, granted. 8/25/14. The 4.6. We'll have that date, and we'll check with the clerk's office back in a couple months. We'll probably have a date. We haven't set a date, have we? It'll probably be late September or October. Okay. You're welcome. It's always a Friday. It's Friday, right? Oh, Attorney Apple, who's doing the order? Well, you know what? We'll just do it on the minutes. The minute sheet will be suffice. Okay. All right. Attorney Jones, are you ready? Okay. And we are on page 5 to begin with. Is that granted? previously filed. You have any objection to that? Are you in agreement with that? That's yes? Okay, all right. Well, I mean, I could set it for hearing, but okay, which one's that? Okay. June 10th? Or what? No. Are you going to be here for that? Oh, yeah, no, okay, May 28th, right, May 28th, 11:30. I'm sorry, no, 1:30. Yeah, 1:30.
Next 3 items.
Yes. Granted. We set to June 10th, 2014 at 11:30. Reset to 5/28/14 at 1:30. Granted. You got fireworks, you want to set it for 28th? What about the next one?
Next item.
Yep. Granted. Do you agree with that, or do you want to set it for 28th? Yes. Granted. Reset to May 28th, 2014, next month, 1:30. Page 6. Top 3. Reset to 5/28/14 at 1:30.
Next 4 items. Special executive.
For those granted. one item.
That's for various deliberation. That
Yes.
item's actually resold on tax. That'll be a late fee.
Who's going to prepare that one? Denied, no need, denied, refund, less than 5%. Order. Page 22. Several items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 page. Yes. Yes. Which ones? Yeah, 5 of them, all 5 of them. All right, we'll just reset those to May 28th. All right. All right. Shape. Any self-representatives you've met with that are ready to go? What's your name? All right, Lawan Clemens. I'll do it. What is it? you have a form order? Have you looked at it? Show that granted. Ma'am, what's your name? You just have to say that a little bit louder. Betty Willis. Yeah. Yes. Show those granted. Have you reviewed your orders? Okay, file orders in 14 days. Do you understand that? Yes, well, Attorney Jones, I think, has something additional.
Page 12, third one.
Daniel Williamson? Okay, so you're appearing on behalf of Daniel Williamson? Okay, so we're going to mark this as Attorney Kenya Jones appearing rather than a self-represented. Daniel Williamson. And this is an extend redemption 120, or it's already done? So no action necessary. And you got another one? Which one? Michael Lemon, Hurley Love. Okay. No action necessary. Now hold on a second. In a moment, we're probably going to take a break. And when we do, I would like for you to go over to B212 with Mr. Banks. And we'll go over there and we'll figure out what date you all are supposed to be back so we don't have any more mix-ups as far as, okay? So just sit tight until we take a break. Anybody else you've looked at, or is it break time? All right, we're going to take a break and give the auditor's office an opportunity to look through the paperwork of people that have not had their paperwork looked at, and we will reconvene. What time? 11:15? Was that too long? Not enough? Okay, we'll be back at 11:15.